to Jacob's World. Today we're taking a view at the brand new 20-inch Lasko Power Plus box fan. This came out in 2021. It's brand new. We have it like plugged in right over here. Yep. Plugged in. Let's turn it on. Look at that, guys. Feel the wind, huh? Yep. This thing came out in 2021, which was like 2 years ago. Yeah. Good. It's medium. We're on high right now. Medium. Let's do medium. Okay, this is medium, guys. We're on medium. And this is slow. Yeah, this is slow. See, it runs super slow. Let's turn it back on high. Yeah, it runs smoothly when it's on high, guys. If you have a Lasko Power Plus fan like me, you should probably film this. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and link in the comments. Please make sure to turn on your notifications as well.